Hello and thank you for clicking on my video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Briogeo Scalp Revival Hair Care System. It contains all these products here to help you to attain a healthy, thriving scalp so that you can get your goal of healthy, strong hair. And that's what our goal is this year of 2021. So if you want to see what I thought of all these products and how they worked in my hair, then please go ahead and keep on watching. So here I am, it is wash day. I have my old blowout twist out from last week. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out. It's the one right before this. Yeah, my hair is a little bit frizzed out now. I need some revival, some moisturization. My scalp is itchy. It's got a lot of buildup on it. So I'm going to go in and start off with a pre-poo, as I always do. I will be taking my homemade DIY pre-poo oil, and I'll be applying that to each section of my hair and combing that in. So right now I'm just parting my hair and making sure my sections are divided. So now taking my homemade oil, I just used an old bottle that had oil in it before. I'm going to take little sections of my hair and just coat them with this oil to help not only detangle but to really moisturize my strands prior to washing my hair, just to try to avoid excess breakage on my hair, especially at my ends. It is definitely time for a trim, but we haven't got there yet. So right now I'm just going to brush this all in. It really helps to get those tangles out without ripping at your hair, because it just coats the strands and makes them very slippery. So I really like doing an oil pre-poo. If you haven't tried it, you should definitely do so. My oil contains castor oil, coconut oil, a little remainder of what was in that bottle, which I think was jojoba oil and argan oil, as well as some lavender drops for a little extra nice scent. So I'm going to just keep on brushing this through, and as you can see, it just really helps my tangle teaser to glide right through my hair. It also helps prevent breakage and excess shedding. So I'm just going to keep on putting this in. I'm going to really rub it in well into my scalp as well. Alright, so both sides are all nice and oiled up and detangled, so I'm going to keep rubbing this in a little bit, and then I'm going to take, I don't have any plastic caps, so I'm taking a grocery bag. I've seen this trick done so many times on YouTube, so I figured, hey, let's give it a shot. You definitely want to make sure there's no goopy, nasty stuff in the bag prior to putting that on your head. You could probably even wash it out first, so I'm just going to wrap that around my head and clip it on with a hair clip, and then I'm going to wait about 20 minutes. And just like that, I am back. 20 minutes has passed. My hair has soaked in the oil. It's softened it. And now I'm going to start washing my hair with the Scalp Revival Charcoal Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. And this shampoo is very interesting because it's in a jar. I've never seen shampoo in a jar, so this was a first. But anyway, this is a micro exfoliating scalp shampoo, which contains gentle coconut derived cleansers and plant-based exfoliators to gently remove dead skin from the scalp and hair. It's a nutrient rich blend of coconut oil, panthenol, and tea tree oil, which helps restore moisture to the scalp while soothing dry scalp itchiness. So I'm just going to concentrate this on my scalp, as you can see, not running it down my hair strands too much so that I can prevent excess dryness. I've already rinsed out the pre-poo, so that has helped to coat our strands a little bit with moisture. And I'm just going to really give my scalp a nice scrub, because the winter has definitely dried it out. It's very itchy. Not too flaky, but I could just tell it needs some extra TLC. So I was really excited to try this product out. It's my first time using it. If you've already used it, let me know what you think down below. And yeah. It also provides you with a scalp massager. This is a rubber scalp massager. It's the stimulating therapy massager. And it doesn't vibrate or anything, but yeah, I just use that to scrub my scalp, and it feels so nice. I just imagine like a bunch of fingers rubbing your head all at once. That's how it felt. So it really got this cleanser down into my scalp, as well as relaxed me. So I really liked it. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep scrubbing, scrub it up. Next, taking their newest product, the Scalp Revival Charcoal plus Tea Tree Cooling Hydration Scalp Mask. This is a mask that is formulated with a refreshing blend of tea tree, peppermint, and spearmint oils to hydrate, nourish, soothe, and instantly cool your scalp. Detoxifying Bencotan charcoal draws out scalp impurities and oil, while aloe vera and hyaluronic acid balance hydration to prevent future dryness and flakiness. So this is best used in the shower after the Exfoliating Scalp Revival Charcoal Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo, which I just did. So you want to apply this directly to the scalp and massage it in, and leave it on for up to 10 minutes. And then rinse out and condition hair normally with the preferred Briogeo hair conditioner. So I'm just going to take this product, it's got a nice little tip to it, and I'm just kind of sectioning my hair as best as possible to get that down to my scalp directly. And then I will just rub that in and concentrate it again directly to the scalp. And this was a very cooling feeling on my scalp. It felt like a peppermint patty, if you know what I mean. And I like the scents on these products as well. It reminds me of chocolate chip mint ice cream. I don't really like the flavor of chocolate chip mint ice cream, but the smell of it is so good. So yeah, that's what these products kind of remind me of. But anyway, I'm going to let this sit in my hair, as it says, for about 10 minutes, and then I will be back to rinse. Back, and so now I'm about to rinse my hair out, and this stuff rinsed pretty clean. It's so refreshing on the scalp. It felt like cold breeze on a hot summer day directly to your scalp. So yeah, just continue to rinse this out. Next, I'm just taking the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Conditioner and applying that directly to my ends, because the next step is not necessarily a moisturizing conditioner that I could tell. So I'm just going to pre-condition my hair and kind of coat my strands to get the tangles out. I'm now taking the Scalp Revival Charcoal and Peppermint Oil Cooling Jelly Conditioner. I'm going to apply that directly to my scalp, and this was really definitely a jelly. I thought it was really cool, and it smelled awesome. So So I'm just going to directly apply that to my scalp. I have not rinsed the other conditioner out of my hair yet. I'm going to allow these to kind of sit together. So this is a jelly conditioner. It contains a lightweight blend of coconut oil and panthenol to condition and hydrate the scalp and hair. A unique blend of peppermint and tea tree oils reduce dry scalp itchiness. Detoxifying benzocaine charcoal draws out impurities to reduce buildup in the scalp and hair. And the cooling jelly-like texture enhances the scalp's soothing benefits of this conditioner. So you just apply this to wet hair evenly from scalp to ends, massage into the scalp and hair for about 15 to 30 seconds, and then rinse thoroughly. So I'm going to just rub that in. I do believe I left it in for a little bit longer than 15 to 30 seconds, but who's really counting, you know? But I do know that it felt extremely cooling. Like, it was even more cooling than the shampoo and the other scalp treatment. So if you are sensitive to things like that, then yeah, you want to be light-handed on this because it really gets your scalp tingling. So I'm just going to keep rubbing those in, and then I'll detangle my hair and I'll be back. Alright, so now for this Scalp Revival Charcoal and Tea Tree Scalp Treatment Oil. This oil is made of the same ingredients as the other stuff, pretty much. But it also contains panthenol and witch hazel to help soothe dry scalp itchiness and restore hydration. And it helps to diminish scalp and hair buildup. So you want to shake it well, and then you're going to part your hair into sections and apply 1 to 2 drops to each partition. And then you want to massage it into the scalp and do not rinse out. This could be used completely after washing and before styling. So I'm just going to section my hair as usual into 4, and then I'm going to do subsections and just kind of squeeze that into each little section. I'm not really counting drops, I'm just using the whole little vial, I guess that's what you call it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go section by section and apply this into my hair. This has a very charcoaly smell. It's more charcoal than the rest of the product, but it dissipates after a time. It didn't linger. I didn't have any kind of weird smells after, so it's not bad. I didn't notice any tingling or anything as well with this product, but it does leave your scalp feeling pretty moisturized. So I'll just rub that in, put the section up, and do our next section, and keep going until both sides of my hair are done. Scalp is all greased up, oiled up. Hair is feeling super moisturized. Scalp is whistle clean, and yeah, it doesn't feel dried out. Everything feels soft and bouncy, moisturized, but also pretty clean and fresh. My scalp feels revived. I'm just ready to take on the world now. So yeah, I enjoyed this line, the Scalp Revival Scalp Therapy by Briogeo. I definitely recommend them. You can check them out. You can find them on Sephora.com or, of course, Briogeo.com. This is not sponsored, but I really like their products, so I'm just trying out everything I can from Briogeo. So thanks again so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.